with this new cycle lane, once this is implemented, I think there'll be a lot of people that will come out and cycle. We're really happy with the designs. There is a compromise in some places, but we think it will provide safe cycling for all ages, from young to old and tourists alike. We're here at Grattan Bridge, or Parliament Street Bridge. In this location, it's been recently changed to 2 bus lanes on the quays, and that's quite difficult to navigate when you're a cyclist coming in the morning, because you have a bus parked on your left and you have a bus behind you overtaking you on your right, plus all the cars and trucks and whatever else. So the new design, you'll be safely beside the quay wall, segregated from all the traffic, so it'll make a huge difference to cyclists in the morning at rush hour peak times. We're just at Wellington Quay here along the river, and just behind me here to my left we have 2 lanes of traffic that's shared with both cyclists and buses. One of the solutions for the new plans will be a boardwalk right behind me here going along to the next bridge, so there's going to be extra space for pedestrians. The old pedestrian space will be allocated for a proper segregated cycle lane, and then there's going to be a bus and car lane on the left here. So all the way out then to Euston Station, there's going to be a bike lane along the quay wall and then onto the building side. So it'll be a lot safer at this junction. It's one of the kind of classic pinch points along the river. We've had a number of serious incidents here along the quays. Conditions had improved when the port tunnel was built and HGV traffic was removed from the quays, but it's still a very risky situation to be in, mixing with all this traffic. And the RSA have stats for 3 deaths along the Liffey quays here recently. So with the segregated infrastructure, this should dramatically improve the safety for cyclists.
There's a lot of little things that people will have concerns about. The way in which bus stops are treated, the loss of some trees, the loss of some car parking spaces. But it ain't easy to put in this kind of ambitious infrastructure. And there will be, for the most part, gains for people who live, work and relax in Dublin city centre.
We're currently in a city that's got high noise pollution. 1,200 people a year die of air pollution. It's a real problem in the city. It's going to get worse. So cycling can address these issues with noise and air pollution. And obviously then with the climate change targets, cycling can make a huge difference in emissions and the carbon footprint in the city.